What's going on, guys? Noob here. I've heard some stories that you have no idea how to clean forks on your dirt bike. So here it is, a short how-to video on how to clean front forks after a ride. As a tool, I will be using this yoke which I bought on AliExpress. It should service all forks in the diameter 45 to 55 millimeters. I know that you can buy this tool in some well-known branded shops, but I think it's exactly the same thing. So if you want to save a few bucks, you can get this one from AliExpress. Since I've got this tool, I'm doing this cleanup at least every second ride. This should clean the dust seal before the dirt could get deeper in the fork and basically damaging the oil seal and allowing the oil seal to start leaking and damaging the whole fork and stuff. So it's super easy. Get it and do it after every ride, or at least every second ride. When you will be removing the dust seal, be super careful. You don't want to scratch the forks. It's better to take your time and not rush it, especially if you are doing that for the first time. I'm using a super small screwdriver, a flat one, just to create a small gap between the dust seal and the fork itself, and then I'm taking a bigger screwdriver and basically separating the dust seal from the fork. And here's the tool. Just put it on the fork and basically slide the tool underneath the dust seal, circle it around, and it will collect all the dust stuck in the dust seal. Then you repeat the same process with the oil seal. Just be super careful. Don't forget to pick the thinner side of the tool and be super easy on the oil seal. That's the main seal holding the oil in your fork, so be careful there. Here is the detail. How does it work? It's basically the thin side of the tool slides underneath the seal and clean any dirt which is stuck between the fork and the seal itself. Once both the seals are clean, you can assemble the dust seal back and basically just finish the job. Don't forget to do it for the other fork as well. This time I'm adding some assembly waterproof lube. I've heard that it's good to put it there after the cleaning. I'm trying that for the first time. I will talk about the result later on. If this video was helpful for you and you like it, don't forget to subscribe. I'm planning to do a whole bunch of how-to dirt bikes videos, and I will be also adding some content on my CR250, which I basically just assembled together. I have 20 moto hours on that, and I'm just starting to learn how to ride a dirt bike, so I'll be adding videos from that as well. So hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time. Thanks, guys.